Hi, this is Two-Tone Airsoft 83 and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this, the Bison Shotgun. Okay, so let's get down to this. Just take the lid off. So, inside, that's what we get. You've got the instructions manual in Chinese and English. Pretty basic one, outlines the basic rules, shows you the parts. Then it comes with this, a speed loader. I filled it up, and the speed loader comes with this, an adapter to fit onto the magazine to make it easier for loading. And then you have some excellent accuracy BBs. What do you do with these? Don't use them. And then an even worse quality sling with these. I wouldn't advise using this. You can go over there as well. And then some even more cheap quality shooting glasses. But I might as well keep them because hell, free shooting glasses. And then that brings me to this. The shotgun. Of course it's two-toned because it's UK, but it's one of the better two-toning jobs I've seen. Normally they have the two-tone go all the way up here and along the barrel, but it's just half of this bit. And then you've got a 40 round magazine which can be found quite cheap on the internet. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Bison Shotgun. Hope you enjoyed this video. The review will be up soon.